KSI is one of the biggest YouTube stars out there, and for those who are dipping their feet for the first time in the world of stocks and shares, will also know that you can also invest in a stock called KSI. Funnily enough, ChatGPT had once stated that you can invest in KSI and gave the relevant instructions. These days, you can pretty much invest in anything and anyone. I mean, take Elon Musk. If you're a fan, maybe you'd like to invest in Tesla, or if you're a fan of Richard Branson, probably owning Virgin Galactic shares is for you. Everyone knows that investing in stocks and shares is risky, but don't do this amateur mistake when putting your hard-earned cash into investing. And this is just one of the pitfalls in utilizing an AI function such as ChatGPT. If you're confused, then let's take a relatively simple example of the car manufacturer Ford. Whenever Ford Motor makes big news, there are some investors who actually mistakenly buys shares in a company called Forward Industries, a tiny maker of carrying cases for medical monitoring systems and other electronic devices. That's because Forward Industries trades under the name or the ticker symbol as FORD. The iconic Ford Motor Company trades on the stock exchange under the ticker symbol of just the letter F. For those that don't know, every company on the stock exchange has their own code to identify that specific company. The code is usually made out of letters and numbers and are usually a maximum of 3 or 4 characters long. This code is called the ticker symbol and used to represent specific assets on the stock exchange or when traded publicly. This and other examples of ticker symbols cause confusion, and with the fairly recent popularity in the primedrink, co-owned by KSI and Logan Paul, I can understand why some people would want to get in on it and think that they can simply invest in the KSA stock, which is actually nothing to do with the YouTuber and actually in fact is a software company which trades internationally. So please remember to do your research, invest in your hard-earned cash. It's so easy to get caught in the frenzy of investing and get carried away pulling the trigger too soon.